Hi, it's Eric Lee with VictorEric Design+Build. Here again with another behind the scenes tour of our Richmond house. Last time we showed you during the rough framing stage, I was here with Bruce trying to solve some problems with the stairs. This time we want to show you the inside. We're doing a deficiency walkthrough with the client. So we're almost there to deliver that dream home. We are serious about maintaining the quality of our builds. Here, our design team lead, Alan, is training our design and construction team on the design standards of a VictorEric home. This is another example of the benefit of having a tightly integrated design-build team.
A lot of details that you need to look at in this house, guys. Like, it's for a custom house, I've never seen like every corner with so many reveals. And when it comes to reveals, there has to be pre-planning involved every single time to make sure there's alignment. Yes. Right? And I'm quite pleased so far with what I've seen as far as like alignments and reveal goes. So.
For a luxurious contemporary home, it's all about the alignment. The contemporary design may look simple, but it takes a lot of effort to get the alignment just right to execute that clean look properly. Contemporary design is about exact tolerances, and there are no room for errors. You'll see the full height walnut slip match wood panel here, where we incorporate randomized vertical reveals to echo the white randomized paneling out in the double volume stairwell, which you'll see shortly being introduced by Alan. The craftsmanship in the wood paneling needs to be perfect, especially when we're trying to incorporate concealed hidden doors like this one going into the powder room. You can also see the exacting craftsmanship in this custom dinette where we did a 3-corner miter to conceal the drawer fronts. It allows us to hide the extra line that shows the thickness of the drawer panel and gives us that monolithic look.
So one of the key feature design of this house is actually the 2-story ceiling height space that you have here, emphasized by the bridge division between the 2 spaces in the upper floor.
Here we have the living room wall unit clad in exotic book-matched black marble and a dark wood liner ready for a recessed TV. The same exotic black marble is used as a feature backdrop in this corner-wrapped wine display wall unit, just waiting for the client's nice collection of wine. The walk kitchen is combined nicely with the western open kitchen by a pair of glass sliding doors, allowing both kitchens to be integrated together. Large expanses of windows are used to open up the house to the back patio where a pool is anchored by a water feature strategically placed where it can be seen from the kitchen window. The rec room at the back has large patio sliders which invites the pool patio into the space. Adjacent to rec room is a games and MJ room which is visually integrated by a 4-panel glass slider door. The main floor change room has a door that opens straight to the pool at the rear patio for super convenience. The marble bench is elegantly incorporated into the sink vanity design. Automation is only one of the luxurious features of this home. The entry detail for this shower and toilet room is just exquisite. We use slab marble stone liner with a clean drywall reveal to continue that contemporary look into this space. This is a beautiful custom full height concealed door in the theater room. This room has a floating ceiling with an edge-lit back wall at the front. It's just receiving the finishing touches of construction before we hand it over to client. The full automation continues in this room with the built-in audio equipment. This is a view of the expansive double height entry space, which continues to the back of the house as a stairwell atrium. Full height wall panels on both sides with randomized reveals defines the overall contemporary feel of the house. The master ensuite is just magnificent. We located the tub right in front of the full height window to take in the views of the river and a motorized blind for when you need privacy. A large vanity mirror is also strategically designed to expand and double up on the views. The shower in the toilet room is lined in a marble surround on all 4 sides. Outside, the master bedroom has a custom wall paneled front with upholstered headboards, just waiting for the bed to finish off this space.
So what we have here is actually a 4-foot by 8-foot slab entry door that has some very cool features in it. Let me show you guys. So we have the integrated comfort access system that's connected to the low voltage panel in the in one of our electrical closets. And as you can see, there's nice revealed grab pull. The door. Yep. And let me take you around and show you how the operation goes. And there it is. One whole solid slab entry panel door.
One of the big things on the client's wish list was to have a clear view of the water over the Richmond Dike. To this end, we strategically placed the main floor of the house above the level of the dike so that you can see the water from the patio and behind the large patio doors. The exterior detailing continues the minimal contemporary theme with the champagne gold aluminum panels and the roll form gray metal fascia panels to the double height curtain wall glazing. So that's our behind the scenes sneak peek into our latest luxury home build. We hope you enjoyed the video and that it was able to show you the pride that we take in our work and the exacting standards that we apply to each and every one of our homes. If you're thinking of designing and building your own custom home with the least amount of stress, then make sure you contact us for a free consultation and learn about our integrated design build process.